Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to fix the TikTok account freeze problem on Android and unfreeze your account if your TikTok account is frozen and you are unable to interact with content or post. Follow these steps to resolve the issue. First, check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or test your connection by loading another app or website. Clear TikTok app cache. Open your device settings and go to Apps and App Management. Find TikTok in the list and tap on it. Select Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Then relaunch TikTok and see if the issue is resolved. Then log out and log back in. Open TikTok and go to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right corner. Tap the three-line menu, then Settings and Privacy, then choose Logout. After logging out, close the app or open it and log back in. Update TikTok. Open the Google Play Store, search for TikTok and check for updates. If an update is available, install it and try accessing your account again. Then check for account restrictions. If your account is frozen due to a guideline violation, TikTok may have restricted certain features. Check your inbox for notifications from TikTok regarding any restrictions or action taken on your account. Contact TikTok support. If none of these above steps work, report the problem directly to TikTok. Open the app, go to Settings and Privacy, then tap to report the problem. Choose a relevant topic or describe the issue under Account Freeze. Submit your report and wait for TikTok's response. The last but not least, uninstall and reinstall TikTok. Long press the TikTok app icon, select uninstall and confirm. Reinstall the app from Google Play Store, log in and check if your account is functioning properly. By following these steps, you should be able to unfreeze your TikTok account. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks.